Hello, my name is Yasmina. I'm in students of 6A. Абай Құнанбайұлының Summer. One summer in the mountain gained its peak when daily blooming flowers begin to fade.
Hello to everyone. My name is Tanya, and I'm a student of 8G grade. And today I want to read the words of famous Абай Құнанбайұлы Jesus түнде жарығай in English.
Abay Құнанбайұлы, my autumn has come. My autumn has come as a forced and fall. How the pressure my breaker unfolds. In my midst it is mine. I hear the clear hole, but cannot make sprinted upon that course. On my soul now in me the winter returns and the cannon rolls. Blessing when somehow the red snow all beds if fairies. Flame within man burst. It shall not be exciting when winter stories blow.
Hello, my name is Asılbek. I'm a 7th grade student. I study at school number 15 named Kenan Nazarbayev. Abay Құнанбай is the word 15th. If you wish to be counted among the intelligent, then ask yourself once a day, once a week, or at least once a month, how do I live? Have I done anything to improve my living, my worldly life, or my life hereafter? Will I have to swallow the bitter dregs of regret later on? Желаешь быть числе умных людей? Спрашивай себя раз в день, раз в неделю или хотя бы раз в месяц, как ты живешь. Сделал ли ты что-нибудь полезное для своего образования, для земной или потусторонней жизни? Не придется ли тебе потом испить горечь сожаления? Или же ты сам не заметил, не помнишь, как и чем жил?